Hey guys, today I'll walk you through how fishing works in Kingshot, how to unlock it, and the exact steps to catch fish efficiently. So to start fishing, you need to build a fishing hut first. It shows up early in the game once you unlock the water area. After building it, assign at least one villager to the fishing job. And then once the hut is active, tap on the water area or fishing icon that appears nearby. Then this opens the fishing interface, the minigame or the timer depending on your version. And then most players get confused here, so here's exactly how it works. So tap cast, then a marker moves left and right. Tap again when the marker is inside the green zone. The closer you hit the center, the higher the fish quality you get. If you missed, you either pull up nothing or get a low quality fish. You can also boost success with a few tricks. Assign more villages to fishing to increase daily output. Upgrade the fishing hut when available. Use boosts that improve worker efficiency. Complete quests that raise villager skill levels. And always try to hit the center of the timing zone for rare catches. And then what do you get for fishing? So you get regular fish for food, rare fish for crafting, and items tied to quests. Then also occasional special loot depending on your level. These items stack quickly and help with later upgrades. And that is how fishing works in Kingshot. If you want more guides on resource farming, leveling your village, or skill setups, let us know. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.